All right, welcome to Module 14. This is the last module, and it's all about testing and just kind of a wrap up, a general conclusion here. Um, I did want to say that I have intentionally not tested any part of this app so that you can see, that there are going to be issues with this, um, and that we need to uh, that this happens to everybody. I did notice one issue here that I just went ahead and fixed, and that's that we actually didn't add a toggle button to this custom list here. So I've just added a toggle here that says, the current post liking user includes the logged in user. All right, and I've also filtered the list so that instead of showing all posts, we're only seeing the logged in users, who they are following, only their posts here. So only the logged in users following posts where that person is the creating user. Okay, so those are two things that I just saw initially that we fixed. Um, so let's just go ahead and give this a test and see what happens. I also created a fake user named Dude, so we will actually sign up with someone else. We'll call this Manly Dude. Oops, let's do manly at gmail.com.